The Santa Monica Parish Church, as it is also called, the Panay Church. And it is a historic church in Panay, near Roa City in the province of Capiz, on Panay Island in the western Visayas region of the Philippines. It was built in 1884 on the site of an earlier church. Built in 1774 by Miguel Murguia, which was gravely damaged by the typhoon of January 17, 1875. The church is built of coral blocks and is approximately 70 meters long, 25 meters in width and 18 meters in height. The walls are about 3 meters thick. It was built based on neoclassical architecture. The church has an unusually large bell, the largest in the country and in all of Asia. It is the third largest bell in the world. This was cast by Juan Reyna in about 1884, using sacks of coin given by the people of the town. It weighs more than 10 tons. In 1997 the church was declared a National Historical Landmark by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines. The inscription of the bell says, "Soy la voz de Dios que elevar en salcer desde el principio hasta el fin de este pueblo de Panay para que los fieles de Jesus vengan y esta casa de Diana recibit las gracias celestiales." In English translation, I am God's voice which I shall echo in praise from one end to the other of the town of Panay, so that the faithful followers of Christ may come to this house of God to receive heavenly graces. The exterior of the church has elaborated simply with pillars and horizontal sills, life-size figures of Augustinian St. Thomas de Villanova and Monica verged in a place. One of the well-known examples of Filipino colonial Baroque style blended with neoclassic influence is the citadel. The imposed cover-up is enormous and solid in appearance, adding up the blend of its lines and the volume. The paired pilasters with narrow groves placed between the divided facade to rectangular shaped, which elegantly portrayed the Augustinian symbol. In the second level, the Baroque style and a rose window made by a respite statue at the center of the pediment placed above. It was impressively projected architrave and the curvilinear induration of the pediment by its pilaster's vertical movement rhythm. The open spaces found in entrance and windows form a scenic view of shadow and light. At the topmost part of the church found the finials shaped as pineapple added to its bizarre color and glamorous look. The church has excellently blended by neoclassic look with Baroque style influences. The main altar was designed with Baroque ornament setting in silver, while the retablos, bas-relief, and religious portraits were made by the town's greatest sculptor José Bergamo or Sargento Itac. How to get there at Panay Church. Roa City takes 45 minutes by plane and 16 hours by boat from Manila, and it takes 2 hours from Iloilo and 3.5 hours from Kataklan. 4 hours by Roro, roll on, roll off, from Manila if you wish to travel by bus. Then another 20 minutes travel by land transport from Roa City to Panay, where you can see the Sta Monica Parish Church.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, hit the notification bell and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.